I didn't know what feeling good meant. I thought that it was normal to take naps in your car. Hi, my name is Cori and this is my Wellness Way journey. Little over a year ago, I started coming to Wellness Way, and what got me inspired to come here is I actually went to one of their inflammation talks. At the time, I was personal training at Experience Fitness, and I went actually to learn more information for my clients so that I could help them, and I ended up learning a lot about myself and everything that wasn't right. And I thought that I just was normal. I was having trouble sleeping at night, and then I'd be fatigued throughout the whole day. I would actually take naps in my car in between clients or in the break room at work. And I just thought it was because I was working a lot and had a lot going on. All these things that I had no idea wasn't normal. I just thought it was because I was working 3 jobs and training for a bodybuilding competition. But after going to the inflammation talk, I knew there was more to it, and we did some tests, and I was the farthest thing from what people call normal. And then we also did a food intolerance test, and the amount of food intolerances I had was unbelievable. He said he'd never seen so many, and I was eating just about all of them. So that we cut all of those out. Jumping forward to now, and how good I feel compared to what I did feel, it's incredible. I didn't know what feeling good meant. I thought that it was normal to take naps in your car on a work day and to not have your cycle for, I think the most was like 8 months. And just the difference in how I feel now versus then is completely incredible. My favorite part about my Wellness Way journey is definitely the people that I've worked with. So they're not just in to prescribe you something. They want to find what is causing these symptoms. And I've never been one to really take any kind of medicine when I have a cold or I have a headache. I don't like covering up symptoms, and I never have. So finding a place that agreed with the way I felt and lived it was really important to me. I'm glad that I found the Wellness Way, and the people here, they care. They've helped me get to where I am, and I know they're going to be there to help get me where I want to be. So through your journey, there's going to be suffering, there's going to be sacrifices. You have to go through the pain and the suffering, because what's on the other side of that is the life that you want. Come see the Wellness Way because they know what they're looking for and they know how to find it.